How to add text to your videos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually add a text to your TikTok videos. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok. Go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app. Once you've updated TikTok, now I'm going to basically go ahead and then open the TikTok application on my phone. So let me just go ahead and open up TikTok. After you open up TikTok, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what we will do is we'll go ahead and then try to add a new post. So in order to add a new post, we're going to simply tap on the plus icon which you see, and then you can actually choose to upload a video right over here. So I will tap on the upload button. As I tap on the upload button, let me just go ahead and then select a simple video for the demo purpose. Once I select a simple video, let's say I want to add a text to this video. It's fairly simple. All you have to do is on the very top right corner, you can see there's a double A icon which says text. All you have to do is tap on this text, and over here you simply want to enter the text which you actually want to upload or write on your video. So let me just go ahead and enter my text. So once you've added your text, you can also go ahead and customize the font. So right over here you can see lots of different fonts. If you want to add some background to this particular font, let's say, then you could basically select any of the colors right over here. If you want to go ahead and then add some background and then opacities and so on. So if I go ahead and select this, right, in this case, as you could see. Now in this another case, what you could also do is you could go ahead and change the colors. So as you can see some of the colors as well, you can go ahead and select any of the depending upon your own wish, and once you do so, you could tap on the done button. Now there are also a couple of other things you can do with this text. One is to actually set a duration to when you want to actually use this text. So right over here you can select a duration. You can also change this text to speech. So if I tap on text to speech, it is basically going to recite this text with the TikTok speech. Now after that, you could go ahead and edit it or use question sticker if you wanted it to as well. Once you add your text on this particular page, you can tap on the next button at the bottom right corner, go ahead and then edit this post and then try to upload it. And this is how you can add text to your TikTok videos. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.